What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2023 Ford Escape. The Ford Escape in this video has the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder engine, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So taking a look in our engine compartment, this item right here is going to be the airbox. This is what houses the air filter, and there's 5 T30 screws holding this on. So again, these screws are going to be a number 30 Torx bit, a T30. And there's 5 of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one on the backside right here makes 5. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those 5 screws, and I'll check back in the next clip. So I just finished taking out those T30 Torx screws that we looked at in the previous shot, and now we can pick up on the top of this airbox assembly, and then we can pull our filter out of there like that. And before we put the new filter in, it's a good idea to grab a rag or maybe even a shop vac and clean out this airbox, any extra dirt and debris that's in there. Once you have your new airbox or your airbox cleaned out as good as you can, then we can install the new air filter. And it'll go in this orientation with this rubber gasket on the top. Make sure it's seated all the way down in there. And then get that airbox back down like that. And then the final thing we need to do is throw our 5 T30 screws back in there. And I'm just going to set them in there for now, and then after the video I'll go back and tighten them up. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.